Hey everyone, this week we're finally going to get to explore one of my all-time favorite cocktails. It's a lesser-known mid-century drink with a complex, engaging flavor, the Bali Bali. After our previous episode in which we gave you 3 different simple cocktail recipes to work with, it's time to get back to making another ultra-complex recipe. In this... No, it's worth the effort, I promise. Okay. I mean, it's also just convenient if you're trying to clean out everything in your fridge, you know what I'm saying? No, it's good, it's worth it. Okay, let's do this. So the Bali Bali cocktail comes from another tiki temple lost to time, the Bali Ha'i at the beach in New Orleans. The restaurant, opened in 1952, was actually part of a popular amusement park, Pontchartrain Beach, and was even a regular haunt of Elvis Presley. Even though the park had been around since the 20s, the owner, Harry J. Batt, got the idea to open the Bali Ha'i at the park after seeing a production of South Pacific. The Bali Ha'i closed in 1983, but thanks to Jeff Barry and the Batt family, this recipe has been resurrected from their archives for us to enjoy in the here and now. So, as mentioned earlier, this recipe is a monster-sized one, with 10 ingredients in total, featuring lime, orange, pineapple, cognac, simple syrup, falernum, passion fruit syrup, dry gin, dark Jamaican rum, and light Virgin Islands rum. Good Lord, that's a lot of ingredients! With that unique variety of syrups, spirits, and juices, it packs a complex, yet pleasantly mild flavor. So let's jump in. Now we're gonna start with the juices first, as it's our least expensive ingredient. This way, in case we mess up and have to start over, we're not throwing out our precious gold. Let's do the lime, orange juice, pineapple juice, ½ ounce simple syrup, ½ ounce passion fruit syrup, I'm using Liquid Alchemist passion fruit, ½ ounce falernum. We're halfway there, guys. Hang in there. 1 ounce dark Jamaican rum. This time we're using Lost Spirits because it's awesome. 1 ounce light Virgin Islands rum. In this case, I'm using Puerto Rican rum, Bacardi, because I'm a rebel. 1 ounce dry gin. In this case, we're using Botanist gin. And finally, cognac. In this case, we're using good old Hennessy. All right, it's shaking time. We're gonna add a couple of cubes of ice just to cool the drink as we shake it. Also just sounds cool. All right, get yourself a Collins glass to serve this in. Now I fill this with crushed ice, mostly for presentation purposes, so that it maintains its shape longer and also just doesn't become a complete slushy right away. Let's strain it in. Toss your straw in, and that's it. Bali Bali. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, it's just as I remember it. It's complex, it's a little tart, but a little bit of sweetness. It's nice. Just think, the king himself likely sucked down his fair share of these in the 50s. It's an amazing drink that isn't too overpowering, either flavor or alcohol content-wise, but still gives an engaging, complex cocktail experience. Well, that's all for this week. Give this drink a try at home. And if you like this episode, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future tiki recipes and cocktail adventures. Until then, cheers. You can probably just do with this and not the drink guy. If you like this episode, please... Okay, I say packs a lot on this show. Packs a punch, packs a flavor. It packs a pleasant Okay, a pleasant shit. Ah, man, those are so nice. Toss the straw in and put the straw in the glass this time. But still gives an engaging cocktail complex thing of shit. It's right in front of me. How did I f this up? Okay, just think, the king probably sucked down his fair share of these in the 50s. That's how he got so fat. It's too much. It's too much work. I'm just gonna get fat.